So now that we know there's a game, there's a web series, there's all the other stuff, fancy merchandise, we'll open it for Q&As for the media if you have any questions to ask. If baki reh gaya hai, to Ranveer and Zulfi are both here to answer your questions. Anybody? Sabko weekend pack up karna hai. What do you mean? When my guy friends ask me that, it means something else altogether. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's the score? I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. I believe it was like 15 for 2 or something at one point today. I don't know. I mean, we lost Shikhar early, which is terrible because I really like the look that he's got going on, you know. So I don't know, bro. I don't know. Oh, the game score. Apparently, if that's your iPad, sir, so you've been playing that game. Yeah, it was the high score there was 50271. If you must know. How did I get so good with numbers? Ganit mein 5 baar fail. So far, there's only 2 people who've played that game. One is Zulfi, one is you. So you are the highest scorer. That's absolutely killer. Although I do suspect somebody from the Lulla family must have definitely played it. Who's the main villain? Wow, man, that's a really hard one. I don't know how to explain this to you. It's a very layered and complex story about relationships. So it's not about. It's hard to explain right and wrong. I guess you just have to see the film and figure out. Like I said, it's hard to explain. You know, Mr. Bhansali makes these films that are so deeply connected with human emotions and are really driven forward. The narrative is driven forward by human emotions, and those are very complex and very layered and inexplicable, really. So I guess you just have to see the film and figure it out for yourself. I could not answer that even if I tried. I'm definitely the hero. So, if that helps. Yes. Which trailer now? We have a teaser out. We have a web series out. GG. Yeah. Alpha male warrior. No pressure whatsoever on the actor selected to play the part in the feature film. Yeah, I can't say this myself. I can't say it myself now. How can I say who says that about themselves? Yes, my name means warrior. Ranveer means warrior. So somewhere or the other, I believe I was born to play this part. And so I put over a year into it, and I put everything into it, and it's shaped up really well. And I really can't wait for you guys to see more and more promo material as it comes along. It's very, very exciting. Many more songs which you know, Mr. Bhansali is perhaps unparalleled. You know, nobody shoots songs like him. I can't wait for you to see the way he shot the songs of this film. They'll be out soon. We have the entire theatrical trailer. We had a 3-minuter out, which did phenomenally well, which we're also happy about. But the theatrical trailer is really staggering, and I can't wait for more promo material to come out. And I think we're now 43 days away from the film. So yeah, it's exciting time.
Left. रणवीर लेडी गैंग की बात करें तो
किसकी बात करें?
दीपिका और प्रियंका की, तो कब वो ज्वाइन कर रही हैं इस प्रमोशन?
वो मुझे नहीं पता है, मैं थोड़ा बिजी रहता हूँ, तो उनकी शेड्यूल कोई और मैनेज करती है, मुझे रियली नहीं पता। मैं अपना काम देखता हूँ, बस मेरा काम ठीक से हो जाए, मैं फिर घर जाके डाल जाऊँगा।
लेकिन रणवीर, अभी आप यहाँ प्रमोशन कर रहे हैं और दीपिका तमाशा के लिए रणवीर कपूर के साथ वहाँ प्रमोशन कर रही है, तो
आप डिसाइड कर लो। अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था, सॉरी। क्या कर रही हैं?
वो तमाशा प्रमोट कर रही है पृथ्वी थिएटर में 9 बजे की टाइमिंग है, सेम यही टाइमिंग है। तो कोई खास वजह थी कि वो वहाँ है और आप यहाँ हैं?
जी आई थिंक तमाशा 1 महीने ऑलमोस्ट पहले रिलीज हो रही है बाजीराव मस्तानी के, तो ऑब्वियसली उनके प्रमोशंस पहले होंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली वो पहले वो तमाशा प्रमोट करने जाएंगे, फिर बाजीराव की प्रमोशंस चालू हो जाएंगी उनके लिए। आई एम श्योर मेरी तो चालू होगी। I am actually missing all 3 members of the core team. Mr. Bhansali, who it will really be nice if somebody can get him to make an appearance. I would really love for him to come out and speak about this thing that he's worked so passionately on for so long, a dream that he's had for so long. And yeah, I can't wait for PC and Deepika to join the promotional campaign. I think it'll be much more fun if Mr. Bhansali and PC and Deepika and me and then we're all together. It'll be a lot more fun, and I'm sure much more exciting for you guys as well. So yeah, I can't wait for them all to join. Hi Ilika Thapa.
Hi.
How are you doing? How's your handsome husband? All right, you got competition, sir.
Handsome question में तो आप आ गए।
अरे इनका क्या करें? Mr. 10 pack. ये 10 pack बनती कैसे है? मैं आपसे पूछूंगा। काउंटिंग में आप बड़े माहिर हैं। हाँ जी बताइए इलिका जी।
Whenever we see you in such a promotion, this your head shaved off, your hair back, after like that.
I was waiting for somebody to ask.
It's been I think more than a year we've seen you.
I think my खुदा का वालों, you know, I need to have the Afghan पगड़ी on. पर अभी के लिए आप इनसे काम चला लीजिए। देखिए रिलीज से पहले बाजीराव की पॉपुलैरिटी के अभी से लोग ट्रिब्यूट देने लगे हैं, तो अभी के लिए no you got a nice one, just give it a week, but and really have to say you got a really nicely shaped head, huh? बैठ जाओ sir, sorry about that, I didn't mean to. But yeah, I really, you know, it's not like this is convenient or particularly comfortable either. I'd much rather go without it, but very soon, whenever Mr. Bhansali gives me a go ahead. Oh, we'll just take one last question and then we'll call it a wrap. One more. Anybody?
Hi Ranveer.
Yeah, ask his.
How are you doing?
How are you doing? Oh my god! First tell me you like the poster or no?
I
Tweet पढ़ा मैंने tweet.
like good. I'm sure you got a lot of
Yes, absolutely fabulous response. Almost overwhelming. It was incredible. It was like almost the number of messages and response and feedback like when the teaser came out. So I think the poster, I'm really happy that people have liked it.
No, I think also of course Your Mustani also wrote hello hotness to you on Twitter. It was the general consensus of all the females saw the poster. Say it.
Say what? Thank you.
Say yes.
Thank you to Deepika. She's very kind. I think मैंने उनके पोस्टर पे पहले कमेंट किया था, तो I think she's repaying the favor on a public platform. It's always nice to be called hot. When we launched the poster, you know, everybody was like, "Who does she look hotter with? Who do you think she looks hotter with? Ranveer or Ranveer?" So, I mean, I'm bombarded with questions like this. I just want to say once and for all, Rudrani, that the question was phrased like this: who do you think she looks hotter with? Okay, so I do genuinely think she looks hotter with me.
Ooh, no.
Now, if the question was who do you think she looks cuter with, I'd probably have a different answer. You know, those are different types of movies. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and Tamasha. So that's cuteness. This is hotness.
Ooh, that's fine. And, all the best. I think the blazing Bajirao looks fascinating as well.
Thank you.
would you ever hope that one day, I mean, a lot of Bollywood celebrities always, they already have the sachet at Madam Tussauds, that's a big thing for them, right? This is kind of the beginning there, you already have a beginning here. So, and I want to know if one celebrity, if you had gone to Madam Tussauds, would really like to take a selfie, the way you're doing it just actually.
Probably Michael Jackson. Yeah. Yeah. I really miss him.
All right then. Okay. With that, I think we'll call it a wrap. Anything else? Any last? You want to squeeze in one last one? Okay.
मुझे खुद बेफिक्र के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता सवाई इसके कि मैं पिक्चर कर रहा हूँ I think right now it's all about Bajirao in my life. One release after a few months and a film that I've invested so much into, put so much time into. So right now it's all about Bajirao. We're also finishing up the shoot. Promotions have also started for me, and there's a web series and a figurine and a t-shirt and a game, and there's so much happening that basically is something I will dive into next year. So we'll speak about that then, but right now it's all about Bajirao.
Ranveer, there's one question which a lot of our fans keep asking on social media. क्योंकि अब नवंबर का महीना शुरू हो गया तो नवंबर भी शुरू हो गया.
मेरी सेक्सी मूंछ का राज क्या है?
करेक्ट. कितना वक्त लगा होने के लिए, बिकॉज़ नवंबर के महीने में उग सकती है कि नहीं उग सकती है?
November. हाँ यार, like I gave you some advice, just give it a week and some Moroccan oil and you'll be fine. मूंछ में तो मैं एक्सपर्ट बन गया हूँ सर. मिस्टर बंसाली हमेशा मुझे कहते हैं कि तुम पर अच्छी लगती है, उगा लो. रामलीला में उगाई थी, and now I've had it for like almost a year now for Bajirao, or not a year, like a few months. I'm really attached to it. I'm going to miss it when it's gone.
पर ये तार आने को कितनी देर लगती है? जो ऊपर जा रहा है ना, इसको कितना टाइम लगता है?
This is a trade secret, sir. आपको मैं बाद में बताऊंगा.
हम फिर तब तक फोटोशॉप से काम करेंगे. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you Ranveer. Thank you Zulfi.
मेरी नानी के घर में हर साल बहुत बड़ी पार्टी होती है. पूरी फैमिली, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली सब आते हैं. पहले पूजा होती है, फिर वो सब. मैं तो ड्रिंकिंग और गैम्बलिंग नहीं करता हूँ, तो ताश वाश होती है, बच्चे पटाखे उड़ाते हैं. तो इट्स ऑलवेज अ लवली लवली वंडरफुल टाइम टू हैव द एंटायर फैमिली टुगेदर इन वन प्लेस एट वन टाइम, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द पार्टी दिस ईयर. Mastani actually is from the 1700s, so I think that's gonna be a little bit of a stretch. Are we done?
All right. Let's pack this up. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for being here.